All right, everybody, welcome. It's the Brad and Squeeze Show, Friday morning edition. Hello, everybody. We are a little late. Excuse me. We're live on a radio show, sir. I know, but it comes into my microphone, sir. Welcome.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, and no Squeeze here today. We were just actually calling to see where he was, and maybe he'll show up at some point. But right now, we're going to be answering your immigration questions. I have Jenny from Spar and Bernstein here. She's a fabulous immigration attorney. And you have myself, who's a pretty decent guy. And between the two of us, we will be answering your immigration questions. We are back live on Facebook. I gave in.
Yeah, we're back. Squeeze one.
Squeeze one. Squeeze one, Brad, 0. Or it's just basically squeeze one or the other.
That's what's happening. That's why Squeeze isn't here. He's taking a victory lap.
He may very well be taking a victory lap. He may be saying, you know, I wonder what happens when I don't come. What are you going to do? Right?
Go on Facebook Live.
What?
He's up in his contract right now.
He's up in his contract right now, yeah. Why is it that, there we are. So everybody should be happy to see me again on Facebook and on YouTube. Facebook at Law Offices of Spar and Bernstein. On YouTube, Law Offices of Spar and Bernstein on Facebook. On YouTube, also at Law Offices of Spar and Bernstein. We have 12 open lines right now. We have no calls. So if you call right now, you will get on the radio. The telephone number to get on the radio to have your immigration question answered is 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465. If you call now, we have 12 open lines. We may not have 12 open lines in the future, but at this very moment, we have 12 open lines. 1-800-529-5465. I think I'm in a better mood today. I was a little cranky yesterday. Everybody was scared to call on the radio yesterday. They're like, oh, my God, I don't want to be yelled at by Brad.
You were yelling at people calling in, Brad?
I don't know if I yelled at people, but I do.
Yes.
Kyle says yes.
I don't know if I yelled at anybody, but I watched after. There was certainly a tone.
There was anger.
There was anger. No, it wasn't anger. It was just more of a tone.
9 o'clock for the 12 o'clock show. Or for the 12.
You know what happened, I think, yesterday? You know, Lenny told me this, you know, because I didn't really sleep the night before. It's like, you know, it catches up to you after a while, you know, and if you don't get any
most
sleep,
definitely, yeah.
you know, you get really cranky very, very fast, and I had not eaten all day. Yeah. So no sleep, no eating leads to...
Stay away from Brad.
Don't call in. But right now, we're okay. So my apologies yesterday, but right now we're okay. I got a good night's sleep last night.
That's correct.
What do you mean that's correct?
How would Kyle know?
Why are you saying that, Howard?
I was watching.
You were watching? What are you watching? I don't want to know anymore. Yeah. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. Marina, yes, you did look tired yesterday. Thank you very much, Marina. 1-800-529-5465. We are on back Facebook. We gave in.
How long were we off Facebook for, Brad?
2 days.
Just 2 days.
Yeah. Well, because it was just so much easier if we just had one stream and one camera. And I said, you know what? Everybody on Facebook could watch on YouTube because the entire world has an internet connection in YouTube, and not the entire world has Facebook. So that's why I basically kind of chose YouTube over Facebook. But now
we're back.
But now we're back because, you know what, everybody started calling in the office and being like, huh, come on, Brad, what, huh?
Yeah, I think it's just easier for some people just to go on their app.
Yeah, whatever it is. So happy Friday, everybody. Happy Facebook Friday. And the telephone number to call is 1-800-529-5465. Jenny is a fabulous immigration lawyer, voted Super Lawyers 2 years in a row. I have this Super Lawyer shirt or some T-shirt.
They sent you a shirt. They didn't send me a shirt.
I got a T-shirt. So I was walking around and everyone's like, what do you mean you're a super lawyer? I go, I'm just super. I'm just a super guy, you know, whatever it is. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. By the way, Marina will be in the office all day tomorrow. She's on our Facebook feed right now, but she's going to be in the office all day tomorrow doing consultations.
Awesome.
So if you want to come see Marina tomorrow in the office.
9 to 3.
9 to 3,
9
correct.
to 3.
You'll be watching her as well?
Yes.
No.
No.
You
Just
have
Brad.
just feed into my apartment. That's it.
Yeah, I almost
Right,
said yes,
yeah.
but that's a lawsuit. No.
1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. Carly Freeman saying, yay, back on Facebook. We're waiting for people to call in. So once you call in, I'll stop BSing.
People always just wait until the last minute to call, and that's the thing. And then they're like, oh, why can't I ask my questions?
Right. Yeah, so I'll stop BSing once people start calling in. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. While I am BSing, I think I'm going to share this onto my own page. Do you want to share this onto your page, Jenny?
Sure.
Yeah,
We're going on Facebook?
Yeah, you go on Facebook and you share it onto your page. And then all your friends could watch you. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. Let's go to Derek. Derek.
Yeah, yes.
What's up?
Hello?
How are you?
How are you doing? Yeah, how are you doing, Mr. Bernstein?
Fabulous. Fabulous.
Yeah. I want to ask you a quick question.
Yes.
To get a green card, mixed for misdemeanor, fleeing from the police or reckless driving, that going to make any difference?
Say that again?
Fleeing from the police,
Yeah.
reckless driving. If you have a conviction for
Yeah.
that, can you get your green card? He's asking.
You can.
I don't know. What state did this happen in? And how much of a flea was it? Was it like, a misdemeanor fleeing? Or was this like you knocked 75 people down on a on a multi-state chase?
Yeah, misdemeanor.
A misdemeanor fleeing.
I think this is a situation where we would actually have to review the certificate of disposition before we can make a determination.
Was this in New York?
Yeah, in New York.
Did you go to jail?
No. Yes.
Good.
But they were investigating the police station. The district attorney said they, investigating the police station for fixing ticket. And one of the police, he's in it too.
Okay, so what happened? I'm not in all honesty, it actually is pretty interesting what the police are doing. But this is about you. What happened with you?
Just driving. I was driving.
Did you go? Were you convicted of a crime and did you go to jail?
No. Just go to jail and get.
How many days were you in jail?
No, I came up back the next morning.
It sounds like you sent your booking. Yeah,
okay, fine. All right. So listen. Without seeing the disposition, I can't tell you 100%, but I can also say that if you didn't do jail time and it's fleeing the police and it's New York State and it's a misdemeanor, most likely, unless there's something I'm not thinking about at this moment, but most likely it is a crime of moral turpitude and a petty offense. But I would need to see the disposition to be 100% certain. You want it to be a petty offense because if it's a petty offense, then you can get your green card.
Yeah, but the policeman, he told the district attorney to me to get bail,
Is this a case that's still pending? It's open, or it's?
I'm going to court.
Oh, it's still ongoing.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah,
So then, this is what I would suggest you do. Okay. All right, because I thought this was a situation where it was over. Do not say another word. Because everything when you have a pending criminal case, you don't want to get on public radio and talk about it. Simply because whatever you say will, like they say in the movies all the time, can and will be used against you. I don't know who's listening to this right now. And this is taped forever in the world. So what I would suggest that you do is hold on. We have a really good criminal defense team here. What's most important is that if you are going to be found guilty of anything, that it is a misdemeanor. Hopefully you're found guilty of nothing. But if you're found guilty, hopefully it's just a misdemeanor and nothing more. And hopefully you don't go to get sentenced to a jail sentence. And then it should not affect your green card. But you need good, the best way, I'm going to tell you something. If I was going to spend money at this point in my life, based on what you told me, do I need if I have just a set amount of money to pay for, and I want to be able to get a green card, I'm going to be hiring a criminal defense attorney, a really good one.
Most definitely.
To make sure I don't have any barriers to getting a green card, because you can you're found guilty of something, and you think I'm not saying I'm the best, and I've never said that, but you could say, wow, I'm going to go out and hire the best lawyer. I'm going to get Brad, if that's what you believe, and you may not believe that, and that's fine, but whoever you think is the best lawyer, and the best lawyer in the world, if you have certain criminal offenses, can't help you in immigration. So let me just make my point very, 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 very clear. If the best way to avoid having immigration issues is to avoid having a criminal record, you have the option right now of getting good criminal defense attorneys. You have not pled guilty to anything. You're due back in court on Wednesday. Okay. If your question has to do with your criminal case, I'm going to hang up on you because I don't want you to say anything on the air. Okay? But go ahead.
Yeah, just the district attorney want to plead down.
Stop!
Red light
Stop!
Ticket.
Hang on, Brad. Hang on.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Hold on one second. All right. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. He can't talk about an ongoing case, what the district attorney may or may not have.
Yeah.
Right? Because maybe the district attorney's listening to this now and says, oh, wow, you know what? Maybe I should get this guy deported.
I think also what people have to understand, if they have open criminal cases, yes, you're assigned a legal aid attorney, but a lot of times they just want you to plead guilty.
Right.
Because they don't want to try your case, they don't want to protect your rights. But for immigration consequences, they don't really necessarily evaluate those for you. So that's why it's so important if you have an open case.
He needs to come and see us. At the bare minimum. By the way, on YouTube, Lisa Montague says it's much better on YouTube. I happen to agree, but lots of people like Facebook, so who am I? I can't argue.
Kyle has something to say about that.
Yeah. Well, no, the video quality is better
on YouTube.
On YouTube.
And our connection is better. It doesn't fade in and out.
Correct.
Because we had issues with the connection on Facebook Live.
Yeah.
Well, that's because YouTube is only about videos, so that's what they specialize in.
Exactly. Facebook is about everything.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. And by the way, RJ says Squeeze looks a little different today. Yes, Squeeze is a
Squeeze
is a Korean Asian attorney right now.
Female too.
Right. And by the way, Carol, thank you very much. Also on YouTube, she says I did not yell at anybody yesterday.
Oh, okay.
She says I was just trying to make my point. Carol loves me. Thank you very much, Carol. I didn't think I yelled at anybody, but that's what everybody else was saying. So I just, if you have a jury of your peers and 99% say you were yelling, I guess you were yelling, right?
Yeah.
But thank you very much, Carol, for taking my side. I appreciate that. Good. And Tennille says, good morning to the greatest immigration show live. And I agree, Tennille. Thank you. And good morning to all the greatest listeners of the greatest immigration show. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. And anything but Carly, I already said she's yay. We're back on Facebook. Carol Anderson says we're back on Facebook. Yep. Devon Leslie, 3 thumbs up for being back on Facebook. Shaney Bay Smith just wants us to have a blessed day, so thank you very much. And 1-800-529-5465. We will be answering your immigration questions. I have Jenny here. Squeeze is MIA, missing in action. We have put out an all-points bulletin for him.
Where's Squeeze?
Where's Squeeze? We have opened up the Where's Squeeze book.
It's right next to Waldo.
It's right. He is somewhere. Waldo is somewhere in the world. Squeeze is also somewhere in the world. I would not be I would not be surprised if Squeeze is listening right now, because he sometimes does.
Does he? And he just doesn't call in? He doesn't acknowledge that he's not here?
No, but that's Squeeze. Yes, the Squeeze Sans Brad show, right?
No, Sans Squeeze.
Sans Squeeze.
Sans Squeeze.
Sans Squeeze. Brad Sans Squeeze.
We're also on 93.5 FM.
We are on 93.5 FM. We hate to always leave them as the
odd man out.
And there's probably more people who hear us on 93.5
on the radio when they're driving.
When they're driving than anywhere else. So to everybody on 93.5 FM, good morning as well. And call in right now with your immigration questions. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. Sheila just joining us. Wants to know where Squeeze is.
We don't know Sheila.
We don't know Sheila. He could be any one of a million different places right now. Most likely in his bed sleeping, but there could be other places as well. Williams.
Morning, brother. How are you doing?
How are you?
Hi, Williams.
Hi, morning. Question. If your priority date is April 28, 2016, how long I have to wait?
In what visa category? Who filed for you?
Wife.
She's a green card holder or a citizen?
Green card.
Let's
What
see.
is it? It's what is your date?
April 26, 2016, you said?
You should be very close.
April 28, 2016.
Should be very close.
I think they were up to 2015 the last time I checked.
Yeah, we're going to check right now. Let's see. They're right now up to September 8th, 2015. You're April 2016, so you're probably a good 6 months away
About
or
6
so.
months, it sounds
Where
like.
are you calling me from?
I'm calling from overseas, but I'm going back to Jamaica.
Okay, so you don't overstay on your visa.
No.
Okay, good. Yeah, you're about 6 months away.
Okay, but Williams, also, if you're doing consular processing, meaning you're applying back abroad, it looks like possibly in August you can go ahead and start submitting the documentation because as of July,
But that's for consular processing.
he's doing consular processing. He said,
Yeah. Okay.
So I think by August you're going to be able to start the process of submitting all the documents.
Well, he has to hear from the National Visa Center. All right. So Jenny says you should be hearing from the National Visa Center shortly.
Yeah.
Okay, one more question.
What?
If filing for a family of 3, what is the poverty line?
Poverty guidelines?
Children.
Okay.
Yeah, poverty guidelines.
That's a different tab in Google.
I
One
can tell
second.
you it's
Oh, you
about
can?
20,000.
Okay. For 3.
Oh, for three?
For three,
For
it's
3 or
about
2?
23 or
Yeah,
24,000.
23 or 24 approximately.
Yeah. What is the Oh, this is the form. And for 3 people, it is approximately $27,000.
27, it went up.
Yeah. For 2017, 133% is 27.1, so 26,000. About
Okay.
26, 27,000.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, Williams. If you need help, hold on. If you need help, hold on 1 second. 1-800-529-5465. We are answering your immigration questions. We are helping people. We are wondering where Squeeze is.
I'm not wondering anymore.
We are not wondering anymore. Nobody really, after a while, once you start answering the immigration questions,
RJ says Squeeze is stuck in the elevator.
he could be stuck in the elevator. We don't know where he could
For a
be.
very long time.
Very long time. All right, 1-800-529-5465. Do we have any questions on social media yet?
We just have one so far.
Okay.
Can you travel with your country passport if you're documented in the U.S.?
What?
If you're undocumented?
Probably what he meant.
Oh, okay.
If you're undocumented in the United States, can you travel
within the U.S.?
well, you can get on. You don't need to get in a car or a plane with a passport. I mean, a car or a train with a passport. You can go through TSA with an international passport, a passport from another country.
Yes.
Just because you show a Jamaican or Trinidadian or Russian passport doesn't necessarily mean you are out of status. Just means you were born in another country.
And you just need a valid ID.
Right,
to
so the valid
present
ID
to
is the
TSA.
passport. So that should be fine. But, there's always a heightened risk in the airport when you show that you were born in another country
course.
that they could ask more questions. So, everything is, quite relative. But I can tell you just from my own personal observation that many of our clients travel.
I've had clients go to Hawaii, Puerto Rico.
Many of our
all
clients
these-
travel and don't seem to have a problem, and we don't get many, if any, calls from people. I don't recall getting a telephone call from anybody saying, I went through the TSA airport screening and I was arrested by immigration.
Well, you just have to be really careful
Right.
not to go, I would say, even if it's an airport that, is a border city. For example,
Right.
I think we recently had a call from a client who was traveling to like El Paso, Texas.
Right,
or
El
something.
Paso is a problem, Buffalo is a problem.
Yeah.
When you get
Stay
near
away
the
from
border,
those.
stay away from the borders.
Syracuse on the bus.
Yeah, I agree with you. By the way, Andrew Moody, he's funny. He goes, Squeeze's radiator must be overboiling.
Yeah.
There was a show the other day where a woman called in, and she said her ex-boyfriend would come over and fix her radiator for like 8 or 9 hours. And I'm like, wow, he's a really, I'm thinking, boy, that's a really bad mechanic for 8, 9 hours. And then it was only like minutes later into the show that I realized it meant like you're having sex with him for like 8-9 hours. You know, I said I never heard that before. So Andrew's now saying squeeze his radiator is overheating.
Now I get it. Now that it's in context.
Yes, now in context. All right, David.
Hey, how you doing, guys? Good morning.
Good morning. What's
David.
up?
Got a question. I just renewed my green card, and I went for the fingerprint yesterday, and they gave me a 1-year extension on the green card.
Mm-hmm.
Now, can I file for citizenship now?
Depends. When did you get your green card?
2007.
2007. Yeah. It's been 10 years.
Why wouldn't he be able to?
I don't know.
What happened in between 2007 and now?
Between 2007 and 2010, I had a disorderly conduct.
When was the disorderly conduct?
2010.
2010. Okay.
That's it. Yeah.
That's it?
That's
yeah,
it.
you're fine. You should file for citizenship.
Go ahead.
But even though I renewed the green card yesterday,
Doesn't
can
matter.
I still put in the citizenship?
Most definitely.
Most definitely. Yes.
Okay.
Start learning the Star Spangled Banner. You're all good.
Gotcha. All right. Thanks.
All right.
Take care, guys.
All right. 1-800. You actually don't need to know the Star Spangled Banner to become a citizen.
You just need to know that the name of the national anthem is
It's
the Star Spangled Banner, but you don't need to know the words.
And you also have to know who wrote it.
Is that one of the 100 questions?
Yes,
I don't know.
Francis Scott Key.
Sometimes I'm sitting in the interview.
and you're like, wow, I didn't know that answer, right?
Exactly, because it's like basic, civics questions that we learned when we were in elementary school, junior high school.
Yeah, I remember my grandma studying for that, and I was just like, this is insane. Most people don't know these answers.
Yeah,
I had to study for it when I took my naturalization.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes, you were not born in the United States.
No, I had to do a refresher of American history back in 2008.
And how was it a hard thing to study for?
No, it was just it's all in the back of my
somewhere
located.
Right. What was the hardest question, if you remember?
Oh, I don't even remember back then.
Did you get 10 to 10?
I got 6 out of 10, Brad. You only need to get 6 right. They stop at 6.
Oh, so you got the first 6 right.
Yeah.
So you didn't even go further. Got it.
They ask you 10 at most.
Right.
And then
you got to get 6 right.
Yes.
Got it. All right. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. Anthony. Goes to show the last time I was on a citizenship. Anthony. Anthony.
Yes, Mr. Bernstein, I got a question, right?
Yes.
I'm a green card holder since 1982.
Yes.
I have one of those green cards that doesn't expire.
Yes.
But anyway, I caught a weapons charge in 1992. No jail time, probation, pay a fine. I was wondering if I could get my citizen, if I could, file for my citizen. I got my selective service. I got an honorary discharge from the National Guard. I don't know if that's a plus, but, I'm
definitely
trying to
a plus.
get my citizenship.
The answer is that you're eligible to become a citizen as long as you're not in deportation. The gun charge can put you in deportation. So when you file your citizenship, one of 2 things are going to happen, or one of 3 things can happen. One is they make you a citizen, which is what they should because you have 5 years good moral character. I assume that gun is not an aggravated felony, but I got to confirm that. 2, they say you're not eligible to become a citizen because you're a deportable alien, you're denied. If they do that, they just made up a law that doesn't exist. We appeal, and we win that on appeal. But I've seen that happen a lot.
Of course.
Or three, they literally put you in deportation.
And then you get it resolved.
And then you get it resolved in deportation because you're eligible for a 212C waiver. So why would they put you in deportation if you can get it resolved in deportation? They're just wasting everybody's time.
That's what they weigh when you file for naturalization to, weigh the good against the bad to make a determination as to whether it's worth their while to put you in deportation proceedings.
Exactly. So to me, it wouldn't sound likely that they would put you in. But Donald Trump's crazy, so you never know.
Yeah.
So, but I would feel pretty confident based on the little you told me. I wouldn't need to meet with you to be 100% certain that ultimately you're going to become a citizen at one point or the other. But you may be go through a bit of a roller coaster ride in the meantime
to get there. Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay, so it's good to come and see you.
It is good to come and see me. I think that is the optimal word of the day. Optimal word of the day. Anthony with the optimal word of the day. It is good to come see Brad. Chris, hold
or
on.
Jenny.
Or Jenny. That is true. The better optimal word is good to come see Jenny. Don't come see Brad. Jenny knows more than me. Trust me. All right. Hold on one second, Anthony. 1-800-529-5465. It's good to come in.
Yes. Come see us.
It's good to come in. 1-800-529-5465. We are back on Facebook at Law Offices of Spar and Bernstein. What I'll ask everybody to do, I will not be back on Facebook anymore. We took a 2-day test run. It was an absolute disaster. We had hundreds of people calling us, yelling and screaming.
Whose idea was it? Yours, Brad?
My idea. I had hundreds of people literally hundreds of people calling in, going, Brad needs to go back on Facebook. Brad needs to go back on Facebook. And then after a while, the front desk was like, Brad, do you want to field this call? Because somebody wants to tell you personally to go back on Facebook. So we're back on Facebook.
Yes,
all right.
We have lots of loyal listeners on Facebook.
I mean, and I wasn't trying to be mean to Facebook. I was just, trying to make it easy.
Yeah.
So I like YouTube. Please, YouTube. All right, YouTube, Spar and Bernstein. And then Squeeze goes, nobody listens to me. Nobody ever listens to me.
I could totally picture Squeeze saying that.
But in hindsight, he was right.
Squeeze, if you're listening, yes. Brad said you're right.
Yes, and even my I have a friend in Colombia, and she calls him Squeezy.
I like that better than Squeeze.
Yeah,
I'm going to call him Squeezy from now on.
She goes, Squeezy's right. You should be on Facebook. But it's funny because all the people who speak Spanish for some reason, I don't know why
they say it's
Squeezy.
Oh, okay.
Squeezy. 1-800-529-5465. It's 9:30 right now. Please leave your social media questions. We will be getting to them shortly. We will also be getting to more questions on the radio at 1-800-529-5465. Let's go to Trevor. Trevor.
Hi, Trevor.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. What's up?
I back in 2004, I came to the U.S. on a boat from the Bahamas. I was processed within 2 weeks and sent back to Jamaica. Now my mom has put in a file for me earlier this year. Do I need to sign a waiver? Does she need to apply a waiver for me to get through?
Well, it's going to be a while before your priority date becomes current if it's your mom that's filing for you.
Yeah. When did your mom put in the papers?
She said this year, last year?
This year.
Yeah. You have about a 6 or 7 year wait. Mm-hmm. You were ordered deported, so you're going to need a 212 waiver at some point. Whether you need any other waiver other than the deportation waiver will be determined based on the facts, your particular facts. Did you try to show fake documents? Did you have a criminal record?
Oh.
If you just were found at the border and have no entry document and didn't lie or misrepresent yourself and you don't have a criminal record, then you just need a simple 212 waiver, which are usually approved, but not always. But you're 5-6 years away from doing all of this stuff.
Oh, okay. So when does the waiver come in?
5 or 6 years. It comes in after you attend the embassy interview and they tell you, hey, you need a waiver.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
All right. So don't sell the house yet. Don't give up the job yet. All right, but eventually you'll get here.
Okay, then. Thank you very much, sir.
All right. Thank you very much. All right.
Bless.
God bless. God bless. We don't say that enough. We don't. I don't.
That's the greeting as soon as we start. God bless. This is the Brad and Squeeze Show.
God bless everybody. This is the Brad and Squeeze Show.
That was Tiny Tim, right?
I don't know who Tiny Tim is. He's the guy who played the ukulele?
No, from A Christmas Carol.
Oh, I don't know.
God bless us, everyone.
I have no idea.
You don't know the story of Scrooge?
No. No, sorry. Tell me.
I can't tell this. You never heard Scrooge as a terrible mean. You don't know this, Jenny?
I don't know Scrooge.
Back of my head somewhere.
It's like one of the most famous persons, like the Grinch, and then there's Scrooge.
I know who Scrooge and the Grinch is, but I have to tell you the truth.
All right, so the story is...
I never sat down to know what the story was.
So Ebenezer Scrooge is a huge debt collector in whatever town.
Do we really need to listen to this right now?
You're like, tell me, he's a debt collector.
Do we really need to listen to this? It's not even Christmas time. I'm sweating to death in here.
I can't believe that you didn't know that.
I don't know it.
Wait, does Kyle have a nickname on the show as well? There's like Little Nicky.
Yeah, well, he was SMG too.
Okay.
But
I don't think that's a good one.
He doesn't like social media guy. He likes strong manly guy.
So that's
and then Squeeze doesn't like to call him strong manly guy because Squeeze has this, big macho, can't be called another man strong manly guy. Although it's very funny, we have a video up that he says strong manly guy like 8 straight times in 20 seconds. It was really funny. And if you can watch it, you can watch it on Facebook, believe it or not. And then there's a counter. Squeeze says strong manly guy 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, all in like 20 seconds. So we don't have a name for him yet.
Maybe the listeners can come up with a name for Kyle.
Yeah, I don't know. He's kind of funny.
He's funny?
He's funny.
He has lots of interesting stories.
Lots of interesting stories. And
Scrooge was interesting.
No, actually, earlier in the week, he was a lot more interesting than he is right now.
It's Friday. Long week.
Friday, yeah. All right, we'll come up with something. 1-800-529-5465. Sankel.
Hey, good morning, Brad. How are you this morning?
Good morning. What's happening?
2 questions to you, if you don't mind. I'm in process with NVC.
Yes.
And I'm missing the documents. That's the police clearance. I filed it in maybe like 3 weeks ago. Would the clock rewind back, or what's the story here? And the last question is, my wife will be accompanying me to my country to pick up for the interview, but she don't have a waiver. I have the waiver.
Oh.
What's going to happen here now?
Okay, so answer to the first question is once you submit additional documents to the National Visa Center, it takes them about 60 days or so to actually get to your case and review your documents again. As for your wife, if she does not have an approved waiver application, she should not leave the U.S. because she's going to trigger a bar.
Well, doesn't the provisional waiver bar
it only covers him. So what's going to happen is he's going to have to become a green card holder, and then she has to file for the provisional waiver because now she has a qualifying relative.
Okay, there you have it.
Okay, but what's going to happen when I go for the interview? Would they neglect? Do
you have the provisional waiver?
He has the waiver.
Okay.
He said.
All right, so you have it.
Yes.
Okay, so these are things your lawyer should be discussing with you. I assume you have a lawyer because it's very rare that people do provisional waivers on their own. But assuming you don't have any criminal record, assuming you've never lied to the United States government, and you don't have any misrepresentation, you don't have drugs in your system, and you're otherwise eligible for your green card, your interview is going to be all of 5 minutes.
Okay, but I'm talking about her. What's going to happen?
She doesn't go.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. She doesn't go.
After you come to
she doesn't go. But what's going to happen? Would they deny her for the next time? Or
No. What happens is this. You go down, you get your green card with your provisional waiver, you re-enter the United States, you now have a green card. Now your wife can do a provisional waiver based on hardship to her permanent resident spouse. She does the provisional waiver after you enter the United States, and then she goes down separately to get her green card and come back.
Okay.
Got it?
That's beautiful. Thank you, Brad.
Right.
Have a good day.
Okay. All right.
And everyone.
Thank you. All right. 1-800-529-5465. The people are clamoring for page 21. Clamoring. There's a clamor out there. I already see it. Cordella Willery has said page 21, page 21, page 21, page 21, page 21, page 21.
Why is everyone so enamored with page
enamored,
21?
People like to direct me. I think that's more than anything else. Everyone likes to be my director.
Expectations. They expect you to do page 21, so they're like waiting.
I just think good credit is very important.
Good credit's a beautiful baby. To a lot of people, good credit is very, very important.
And what does Squeezy say?
I don't know, Squeezy.
If you have under 700, then...
Squeezy is always right. If you have under 700, your credit is not beautiful, right, Squeezy? Over 700, your credit is beautiful. Under 700, your credit is not so beautiful. So you can give a call to USA Credit Repair if you don't have beautiful credit at 1-800-872-7177. 1-800-872-7177. 1-800-872-7177. 1-800-872-7177. Beautiful credit is right around the corner.
That is
USA
not what you meant to say.
It's right around the corner.
This is
right
true.
there. It's almost looking at you in the face, that beautiful credit.
You just need USA Credit Repair.
You just need USA Credit Repair.
The key to beautiful credit.
It is the key to beautiful credit, but if you're outside and it's around the corner, you don't need a key. You could just literally go around the corner and look at that beautiful credit.
Or you can go online at www.wefixbadcredit.com.
Yeah, because you know what? It's always, I always say it's so obvious. And somebody said to me once, what does USA Credit do? I said, well, go to wefixbadcredit.com. I don't want to read. And the guy goes, I don't want to read what it says. Just tell me what they do. I go, are you thick? I go, are you like the dumbest human being to walk on the face of the earth? Go to wefixbadcredit.com. What do you think they do?
I don't want to read that.
I don't want to read it. You don't have to. I just,
This explains why he needs his credit repaired.
Exactly.
I don't want to read.
I said, that's very true. I should have said to him, we don't even have to check your credit. I can tell you, you should be going on, it's bad and you should be going on the platinum plan. All right, 1-800-529-5465, 1-800-529-5465. Call now with your immigration questions. We're going to go to Sheila. Sheila, how are you?
I'm fine, Brad.
What's going on?
Morning.
Morning.
Yes, I'm having a problem. I spoke to you the other day about I had a fight from 7 to 9. I got this letter from the criminal office out here. He mislead me and send it to me and send me to I'm supposed to go to the consulate. When I go there, she needs something from the court.
Where are you calling me right now from?
Jamaica.
You're in Jamaica. You are in the United States. And
I've
never been in the United States. Okay, so you want to enter the United States. Somebody's sponsoring you.
Yes, my daughter.
Okay, and you had a problem with a arrest back in 1979.
Yes, sir.
And what was this arrest about? You had a fight with somebody?
Yes, sir.
And then you went and got the disposition and you brought it to the woman at the
U.S. Embassy.
U.S. Embassy, and what happened?
When I took the letter there, the police mislead me. I took the letter there, which I should go to the court's office. Anyway, I do go to the court's office, and I got a letter now.
Mm-hmm.
So she brought the wrong letter.
Okay.
The police gave her the wrong thing. She needed a court disposition.
Yes, I think that she was supposed to go to the court, but she went to the police station
She got a court
instead.
disposition, and she got a police report instead. Okay, so now you got the court disposition, and now what happened?
Yes. I want to know if I am supposed to send it to the USIC or I have to get you as my lawyer.
I would suggest that you at least
do a consultation.
Before you start sending dispositions around the world. And did you go to jail for this?
No, I didn't go to jail. All three of us was charged.
Yeah. All right.
Two girls and me.
So it sounds like you're eligible for a waiver because it's been more than 15 years. And it's not a felony because you didn't go. It was not a fight that you were sentenced to a year or more in jail.
Mm-hmm.
So it sounds like you're eligible for a waiver. So before you just send in the disposition, let's get all our ducks in order here. Other than that, the ducks are running all over the place. But we got to get the ducks in the right line to get you here. But it sounds like we'll be able to help you.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to ask the next question. My daughter was here the other day. I gave her the letter, so what I'm going to do is give her your number.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, she can.
And she can call us.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay.
Perfect. All right. Okay, wonderful, Sheila. Hold on one second. 1-800-529-5465. Kyle, I have a question for you.
Yes,
I was just noticing on Facebook
that
a lot of angry faces just came across. Did I say something that was offensive to somebody? Why is somebody angry? What happened?
I don't know where these angry faces
Where did the
are coming
angry faces come from?
Maybe it's because you said, I have another question, and then someone was like,
and now they're coming back again.
Is it one particular person?
I don't know. I can't tell if it's one person. Everybody's angry at me at this very moment. It's a flood of angry.
Now they're just trolling. I've never seen this many. You have to say Donald Trump is the best person in the world to get these many angry faces.
Yeah, yeah. You want to see me get angry faces?
Yes.
Everybody in the world should thank themselves that Donald Trump is the president, and we are so lucky to have a man like Donald Trump in the White House.
A manly man.
That we will, as an entire group, the viewers of the show all work very, very hard to make him president for 4 more years.
We're starting to get hearts.
Now we're getting hearts.
We're getting hearts.
Wow.
Definitely a troll there somewhere.
Definitely
a troll there somewhere. All right, now I have to. I will. What is the? What is it when somebody says something really bad and then they have to come back and retract that statement? I should retract it. Immediate retraction.
You need a media apology.
All right.
Apologize.
I have. It has come to my attention that somebody here at Spar and Bernstein has been endorsing Donald Trump as president. We as an organization are completely aghast that somebody in our organization would do such a thing. We take back that endorsement 100%. We in no way, shape, or form endorse Donald Trump.
The views and opinion of this rogue Trump supporter do not reflect Spar and Bernstein.
Spar and Bernstein. Very good. Very, very good. All right. And for everybody, we are joking. Please do not vote for the man.
They can just
We just wanted to see the angry faces.
They can just clip or whatever that little segment of what you said.
Yeah, exactly. That is very true. And like, Brad
That's why you have to be careful.
I have to be very careful. Yeah, someone's going to clip that like, oh, look, Brad supported Donald Trump. Oh my God, you're right. I got to be very careful what I do.
You have to be careful what you say on air.
Yeah. Gary.
Yes.
What's up?
How you doing?
What's going on?
Hi, Gary.
Yes, I have a question. Somebody will have a permanent residence for 10 years, and the residence is about to be expired next year, but he has a felony. It's my brother-in-law. I was wondering.
What is the felony for? What's the felony for?
It's about a gun. He shot a dog about 15 years ago.
Ooh.
But 15 years ago, that's before he actually got his green card then, because he's been a green card holder for 10 years, correct?
Yeah. Yes.
Did the Immigration Service know about this dog shooting?
They know about everything.
Did he get a waiver?
Yeah, because he's a family man. He's married. He got kids, and
all right, well, I assume if they knew about it,
if they knew about it,
that he got a waiver, or it wasn't
something that required
a waiver. Either way, he's going to be fine because they gave him a green card. The only time you're not going to be fine is if he had this conviction. Immigration didn't know about it. He didn't tell them. He kept quiet about it, and then it comes back now 10 years later that we didn't know you had this conviction.
Oh no, they know about it.
But I think definitely this is one of these circumstances where before he files anything, he should come into the office.
Yeah, they know about it, so I don't know if he needs, because he wants me to call for him.
Well, maybe he should make an appointment. Yeah. It's worth it just to have a consultation, okay?
Yes, so he knows.
Exactly.
Okay. All right, thank you.
All right, thank you very much.
All right. And by the way, Glacia Roper, a little late to the show today. We already did page 21.
Ah.
Yeah, sorry about that. We can't.
She missed page 21. She wants you to do it again, Brad.
Let's rewind. Beautiful credit is a beautiful thing. It's right around the corner. It's a key. It's not a key.
These are the words that were said.
Those were the words that were said. All right. And the number for USA Credit Repair is 1-800-872-7177. The number to call Spar and Bernstein is 1-800-529-5465. RJ said hearts coming out as angry face, and angry face is coming out as hearts. Somebody hacked the emoji. This is a crazy... What's going on here? Someone's hacking emojis?
We leave Facebook, and then we come back, and it's anarchy.
It's anarchy on Facebook. Someone's hacking emojis now. I don't believe it. And Tennille thinks on YouTube, Squeeze is in the Bronx at the Gold Star restaurant. You ever been there?
No.
Yes, they have breakfast ackee and saltfish.
Oh, okay. Yes. After a long night, maybe that's where he ended up.
Maybe.
Traveled all the way to the Bronx.
Yeah, but our social media guy, strong, manly guy, SMG2, a.k.a. Kyle, thinks he's just there eating fried dumplings.
No. It's ackee and saltfish and fried dumplings. That's a complete meal.
That's a complete meal.
Well, he better bring some back for us.
I thought it's like a hamburger and a French fry. Like you can have a French fry or a hamburger. It's all kind of mixed in
all
together.
Inclusive.
All inclusive. Got it. All right. 1-800-529-5465. Do we have any social media questions?
We have a couple.
Okay, let's do it.
Do you have to send a cover letter when submitting your paperwork to USCIS?
No, but it's helpful.
It's helpful, definitely. Itemize what you're mailing in.
That way they know what you're trying to do.
If USCIS sent out a letter saying that a person who's a resident is terminated, that a person's residence is terminated and can only get a hearing in court, how long will that take in court to clear the green card? The letter is due to immigration thinking that fraud is involved to clear the I-751.
Ooh.
Wait, what? I lost that one.
So it sounds as if somebody filed a 751 with USCIS, referred to the immigration court because there's a allegation of fraud involved, and the person's asking how long is it going to take to clear it up with the court?
2 years or longer. You're now in removal, so obviously your I-751 was denied. They don't believe it's a real marriage.
You have to renew it before the immigration judge.
You got to renew it before a judge. And
depends on what the judge's calendar is.
But 2 years is
I think that's a good
guess.
Good yes.
And that was the final question that we had this morning.
The final
question. Just a couple.
That's
a pair. That's
Josh.
Yeah. Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. What's up?
Yeah. Hi. I just have a quick question. I want to know if you have a green card. What's the possibility of traveling if you had a misdemeanor way back 2013?
Well, 2013 is not that way back, but what was the misdemeanor for?
For driving under influence.
Oh, DUI.
A DUI or a DWI?
DUI.
DUI is not a deportable offense on a first-time offense. Was that your first time?
Okay. So you can travel?
No, I just asked you a question. I said, was it your first time?
Sorry?
Was it your first time drinking and driving?
Was it the first conviction for drinking and driving?
Right, yeah.
I think he's saying yes.
Okay, I'm thinking he's drinking right now because we're not having the same conversation. Hold on one second. Come in with your disposition. Let's be 100% certain. All right, because I want to make sure that we're all on the same page here. Okay? So hold on one second.
Okay.
All right, hold on. All right. 1-800-529-5465. Let's go to Sharon. Sharon.
Good morning, Bernstein.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
Fabulous. Say hello to Jenny. She's going to answer your question.
Hi, Sharon.
Yes. What I want to ask you, you find an underage child, and the priority date is 2015. How long are you waiting for?
When in 2015? And you're a green card holder?
Yes, July.
July 2015. We checked before, and it was September 2000. Yeah.
Your child should be here. Where's your child?
Not here yet.
Okay, should be.
Were you contacted by the National Visa Center?
Yes.
Did you submit all the documents to the National Visa Center?
Yes.
Okay, so did your child go to an interview?
No, not yet.
Okay.
Are you doing this on your own?
Yes, sounds like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that's why, because, kids should have been here at least 4 or 5 months ago. So, if you want, you can bring in your paperwork to show us what you're doing, or you can fudge through it, and hopefully they'll get here at some point.
I don't repeat that part.
I said you have two choices. You can come in and show us what you're doing, and we can make sure that this is right on track.
And that everything was properly filed.
Right. Or you can fudge your way through this, and eventually at some point your kid will get here. I just don't know when. But he should have been here, or she should have been here 4 months ago.
Oh. The next thing is that if you have a family member and she want to apply for school over here, how you go about it?
You have to get accepted to a school first.
You mean as an international student?
She's in Jamaica.
Yeah, first step is get accepted to a school, get the school to issue you an I-20, and then you go to the U.S. Embassy and show that you have enough ties to return back to your country without overstaying your student visa.
Also enough finances to be able to cover the expenses of the school as well as,
that would be on the I-20, right?
Well, they also evaluate it again
at the
embassy.
All right, hold on one second if you need help with your kid. All right, 1-800-529-5465. Are we ready to go back to social media check-in?
There is one new question.
One new question.
Just angry smiley faces. But
angry, yeah. The emojis were hacked today. Putin, I don't know what happened, but...
But if you're married to a U.S. citizen, the priority date is March 2nd, 2017. Interview is ready for schedule since May 11th. How long do I have to wait for interview date?
Well, if you're a U.S. citizen, there is no priority date. But I'm assuming that this person is outside the U.S. if they're talking about priority
they're
date.
just married to a U.S. citizen.
So can you repeat the question, please?
Married to a U.S. citizen, priority date March 2nd, 2017. Interview is ready for schedule since May 11th. How long do I have to wait for an interview date?
I'm assuming that maybe adjustment was found, and when they go online, it says that interview is ready.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're about 6 to 9 months from March of 2017. Yeah. Thank you very much for the
So sometime in September.
That was Jenny's Facebook to Google translation. All right. 1-800-529-5465. Let's go to Geraldine. Geraldine.
Hi, Brad.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Hi, Jenny.
Hi, Geraldine.
I just called to publicly thank you for helping me, because a lot of people saying they can't believe that I really got through with my C1 visa.
Oh, hi, Geraldine. I know who Geraldine is.
What did you do for Geraldine?
We did an adjustment for her, but she had entered on a C1.
So how did she adjust?
Well, she wasn't a crewman. She traveled in transit.
You know, that's a special rule that nobody seems to know about other than Jenny and I and everybody else who understands immigration, which is very far and few between. But if you come as a crew member, you cannot adjust.
Mm-hmm.
But if you come, the C1 is an in-transit, meaning you're going to go join another mode of transportation. So usually C1 visas are people who fly into America to go join a cruise ship or some sort of commercial vessel. But sometimes it's also you're coming in to change planes to go to another country. So, you know, like from Jamaica, you can't go direct, I assume, to Moscow. I think you would have to fly to the United States first and then fly to Moscow. And I don't know if she was going to Moscow or not, but you know, so when she went to change planes for whatever reason, she missed her plane and she ended up here and she was able to adjust.
But thank you so much for calling in, Geraldine. I'm so happy that everything worked out.
Well, I thank you so much. You need to emphasize more, let people understand that it can be done.
Of course.
Because a lot of people saying like, oh, they can't believe that I really got it. So when I showed them, I was like, yeah, thanks to Brad Bernstein and Jenny, that's the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And by the way, how many people did you go to beforehand? Did you go to other people who said couldn't be done?
I've been to a lot, yeah.
Lots of
I've
lawyers.
been to a lot.
All right, well, thank you.
A lot of lawyers, and they say I have to go back down and wait and file a waiver and all of that. And I was like, oh, no.
Do you want to come in? You can come in and take a picture with us, and we can put your face on Facebook and tell your story.
No problem.
All right, when you buy the office, come in. We'll take your picture. We'll make you famous. Okay. All right, thank you. Thank you, Geraldine.
Bye,
Appreciate
Geraldine.
It. Okay. All right, 1-800-529-5465.
You're losing your voice?
The end of the show, and...
Oh, yeah.
30
60 seconds. Yeah.
All right, should we speak to Ray? Ray, you got about 30 seconds. Ray, quickly.
Hi, Ray.
Oh, Ray lost it. All right.
Bye, Ray.
We have a quick question on social media. I got my green card through marriage. I'm concerned that it may be an issue of getting naturalized because I'm divorced and I've had my permanent residence for 10 years.
Not if it was a real marriage and everything was done right.
If it's been 10 years and there's no indicators of fraud, there's absolutely no reason why.
You're allowed to fall in love and out of love.
Yeah.
There's no law that says you have to stay in love to become a citizen. No love. No love law.
They can't dictate who you love.
Can't dictate who you love, but we got to get out of here. Thank you very much, Jenny. Great job as always.
Proceeding was informational only and not specific legal advice. Consult an attorney about your individual situation. Prior results do not guarantee a similar outcome in the future. To make an appointment with the Spar Bernstein Law Firm located at 225 Broadway in New York City, call 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465. Easily remembered, 1-800-LAWLINK. That's 1-800-LawLink. Once again, make a call to 1-800-529-5465. And, of course, link up with the law offices of Spar Bernstein located at 225 Broadway on the 5th floor. If I were you out there, make the call, make the link, make the connection, make it Spar and Bernstein. 1-800-LawLink. That's 1-800-529-5465.